first of all, we are having the fill in the blanks. First blank is Flash software is developed by which company?
Adobe.
Alakshay, please give answer only after raising the hand, and I ask you only to give. Other students will also participate. Okay. Flash software was developed by. Yes, Arshia.
Adobe.
Adobe. Initially, first of all, it was developed by Jonathan Gay. A person was there who developed this software. Then that software was sold to Macromedia company. Before Adobe, this software was owned by Macromedia company. From Macromedia company, Adobe company bought this software, and nowadays it is owned by Adobe company. Okay. First of all, it was developed by Jonathan Gay. After that, it was owned by Macromedia company, and from Macromedia company, Adobe company bought that software, and now it is developed by, it is given new versions of this software are always given by Adobe. Okay, so nowadays, what is the answer? Flash is developed by Adobe. Okay, next blank is, the blank drawing area is called, yes, Nandini? The blank drawing area is called, Khushi? Yes, say answer. You are unmuted. Okay, Jasleen? Anyone?
Stage.
It is called stage. The blank drawing area is called stage. Okay, next question is, dash are the rectangular cells on the timeline. Rectangular cells on the timeline. Lakshay? Rectangular cells on the timeline. Jalashveer?
Ma'am, frames.
Frames. Correct. It is called frames. Okay, next one. Dash consists of images and movies. Dash consists of images and movie. Drishti?
Ma'am, animation.
Yes?
Animation.
Animation. Okay, next is, by default frame rate is? By default frame rate is? Angel?
24 FPS.
Correct, 24 FPS. 24 frames per second. Okay, next question. True, false. In motion tween, the object will always move along with a straight line. Yes. In motion tween, object will always move on a straight line. Yes, Drishti? Arshia, false. Okay. Anyone else? Okay, we in the true false, first blank is true. Sorry, first sentence is true. Motion tween, we give the motion animation usually in a straight line, but when we want to move the object on a random, on a straight any other line, we can use another motion. For that, we have to draw the path by using the pen. So it could be true or it could be false. Because motion tween अगर हम simple देते हैं तो it will move on a straight line, but when we use another tool along with the motion tween to draw the path, then we can use the motion tween to move the object on that path. ठीक है, for that path we have to select. अगर मुझे path draw करना है ऐसे कि मुझे मेरा motion जो है वो इस path के ऊपर move करे, then we have to draw that path. by using some another tool, then we can say that yes, it is false, because motion tween allows you to move the object on this path. It could be false also. So it could be true if we are using the simple motion tween, but it could be false if we are using another tool also. Okay, next is Flash is developed by Google. Is it true or false? False. Okay, next one is the shortcut key to copy an object is Control plus V.
True.
Copy. Copy के लिए true.
False. False.
Copy के लिए shortcut key क्या होती है? Yes.
Control plus C.
Control plus C. So Control plus V is for pasting. So it is false. Number 4. You cannot rotate or move an object in Flash. False. Okay. Next. The shortcut key to insert a frame is F5. Yes, say the answer.
False.
Huh?
True.
True. For inserting the frame, we have the shortcut key F5.
मैम जो फर्स्ट वाला था उसमें ट्रू और फॉल्स दोनों लिख सकते हैं.
False आएगा. False कर लो अभी. False.
Okay.
You can use the motion tween to draw, move the object on a path also.
और
Okay.
मैम ये MCQ वाला फोर्थ नहीं आता था मेरे को.
F5 वाला क्या नहीं आता था?
MCQ वाला MCQ tick the correct one. Which short key is used to play the animation in Flash?
बेटा अभी MCQ करने हमने. अभी तुमने सिर्फ ब्लैंक्स किए और ट्रू फॉल्स किए.
Okay, मैम.
Okay, next question is write the use of following shortcut keys. First shortcut key आपको use लिखना है shortcut keys का. First shortcut key is F5. अभी हमने किया. What is the use of F5? What is the use of F5?
Insert frame.
Yes. To insert a frame. Yes. To insert frame. F6.
To
insert a keyframe.
Correct. To insert keyframe. Okay. Next one is Control plus enter. Make it enter. Control को कट कर दो अभी. Control को कट कर दो, सिर्फ enter की लिखो. Enter key. What is the use of enter key? To play.
To run an animation.
To run animation or to play movie. Play. Play की shortcut key enter. To play movie. Next is Control plus F8 and Control plus J. Control plus F8. What is it? To create a
Symbol.
symbol. Correct. To create symbol. Okay. Control plus J.
To open modify settings.
Dialog box. Open document settings dialog box. Document settings dialog box. Or you can say to change the document settings. To change the document settings, shortcut key is Control plus J. Okay, next is Rima has created an object in Flash. She wants to flip the created object, but she is unable to do so. Suggest a way to accomplish the task. What is the command for flipping an object? You have to tell her the command to flip an object. What is the command?
Modify menu,
Modify menu, transform, rotate, skew.
Rotate and skew क्यों करना है बेटा? Flip पूछा उसने. She wants to
Oh ma'am, sorry. Free transform.
Free transform भी नहीं आएगा.
Ma'am, flip vertical or flip horizontal?
Correct. Flip vertical or flip horizontal. Modify menu.
Flip horizontal.
Transform option. Flip horizontal or flip vertical. Flip पूछा, rotate and skew या free transform नहीं पूछा. She wants to flip the created object. Flip means mirror image. Okay, next is Neha is creating an animation in Flash. She wants to insert a keyframe in it. Tell her the shortcut key to do so. What is the shortcut key to insert a keyframe?
F6. F6.
F6. Okay, next question. Multiple choice questions. Flash software is owned by Adobe. Flash software is owned by Adobe. Okay, next question is the term CS in Adobe Flash CS6 stands for. ये मैंने आपको करवाया था क्लास में.
Creative suite.
Correct. Creative suite. It is not given in book, I think, but it is given in questions. Creative suite. Okay, now the present version after CS there is CC in Photoshop also and in Flash also. CS6 पुराना हो गया, इसके बाद हमारे पास CC versions है. What is the full form of CC then? If CS stands for Creative Suite, then what does the CC stands for? Nowadays you will find the CC versions of Flash as well as of Photoshop. CC की full form क्या है? Anyone? It is Creative Cloud. For your general knowledge, it is Creative Cloud. Okay? Okay, next question is which shows the current frame displayed on a stage? Which?
Play.
Huh?
Playhead.
B option, playhead. Playhead will display the current location on stage, current frame on a stage. Okay, what is the shortcut key to play the animation in Flash?
Control plus enter.
B option, enter. Control को cut कर दो. Control को cut कर दो. I told you control plus enter is not for play, it is for test movie. Control plus enter is for test movie, not for play. Here the question is for playing the movie or play the animation, we will have the enter. B option, enter कर लो, control word को cut कर दो. Okay, next is define animation. What is animation? Yes, anyone? Yes, Jasleen?
Animation is a sequence of images.
Sequence of images, but again full नहीं है sentence, full definition दो. Arshia?
Animation refers to a way of representing images rapidly, which creates an illusion of a movie.
Correct, very good. It plays the sequence of images rapidly so that it gives the illusion of movement. That is called animation. In your books, animation topic के अंदर first line जो definition दी हुई है. Can anybody say that? Drishti?
Animation refers to a way of presenting objects in a rapid sequence with motion.
Correct. That is will be your definition for animation. What is animation? That will be your answer. Okay, to play the
Ma'am,
sequence of images in a rapidly, so that it gives the illusion of motion, and it is called animation. Okay.
ma'am, on which page it is?
Animation is playing a sequence of images rapidly to give an illusion of motion. Next is, what is tools panel? What is tools panel? Yes, Harman, what is tools panel?
It consists of various tools to draw, paint, select, and modify objects in workspace.
Okay, tools panel is the tools panel in Flash contains the various tools for selecting or drawing an object in a Flash. Okay. Anji, tools panel in Flash has the various tools for selecting and drawing the objects in Flash. Definition is given in your book in the tools panel in the components of window. Okay. Next is, what are the two methods for creating an animation in Flash?
Motion tween.
Methods. Yes, Akshay.
Motion and shape.
Okay, Ritisha, good. Motion tween and shape tween. Two methods to create an animation are motion tween and shape tween. Okay, next question is, what is the difference between a frame and keyframe?
Frame are special types of frames. Keyframe are special types of frames through which we can change properties of an object, and frames are the animations created with the help of frames.
So, frames are the, anyone else? Yes, anyone else? What do you mean by frames?
It displays the content of the movie to any particular moment of time.
Okay, Drishti, what is frame?
Frame. A frame is a small rectangular cell on the top of the timeline.
Correct. Frames are the small rectangular cells on the top of timeline. And keyframes are the special types of frames through which we can change the properties of an object. Page number 87. A small rectangular cell on the top of the timeline is called frame. And keyframes are the special types of frames through which we can change the properties of an object. Okay. Tools panel, I had already told you, tools panel consists of various tools to draw, paint, select or modify objects in a workspace. Page number 88 or whatever page is in your book. Tools panel consists of various tools to draw, paint, select and modify objects in a workspace. Similarly, animation refers to the way of presenting objects in a rapid sequence with motion. Animation refers to a way of presenting objects in a rapid sequence with motion. All the definitions are given in book. Next is, how will you rotate an object? How will you rotate an object? You will give the command for rotation. Yes, Jasleen?
Modify menu, transform option, rotate and skew.
Correct. Modify menu, transform option, rotate and skew. Rotate and skew. Next is, Last question. How will you set the document properties in a Flash? How will you set the document properties in Flash? What is the command? What is the command for setting the document properties? Yes. Akshay, Taryan, what is the command for setting the document properties? Anyone?
And modify menu document option.
Correct. Modify menu documents option. Modify menu documents option. Only this much answer you will write. Okay. Hanji, any doubt in the questions? Any doubt in any of the question of exercise? Okay. Practical portion जो flash का है that we will do in the lab period. ठीक है? All of you will submit this question answers. Do these question answers in fair copy and submit your fair copy on Monday. Okay? Day after tomorrow. Day after tomorrow, all of you will submit the fair copy. And I had already sent multiple assessment assignment in the group. Multiple assessment assignment is also sent in the group. You will write those that assignment, you will do that assignment in the test sheet, on the test sheet, and submit it as soon as possible before 17th. Before 17th, submit your assignment by doing it on the test sheet. There are only a few question answers. You will write them on the test sheet and you will submit it. Okay? Okay? Place your pointer on any of the corner handle and you can drag it to rotate the object. Place your pointer in the middle handle on any corner, any line, and you can skew it like this. Clear? Is it clear, Khushi? Any other doubt? Similarly, we can have the transform option. If you draw any object, you can have the transform option also. Transform, modify menus. First of all, select the object. Modify menu, transform option, flip vertical. See, object has been flipped. Modify menu, transform option, flip horizontal. Clear? Hanji beta, clear hai? Is it clear to everyone? Can you give me the response? Yes, just आपने क्वेश्चन पूछा था, आपको क्लियर है?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, any other doubt? You can have many shapes here. For example, I'm having clicking here. This is a rectangle tool, oval tool, and polystar tool. You can click on the polystar tool. It will give you a dialog box. Sorry, dialog box in which we are having the properties. We can select the fill color of the polystar. Then we can have the stroke height. I can give it suppose 5. Then I can have the stroke style. I can choose any type of line. And we are having one option button. This is for only polystar. Click on this option button. You will get this dialog box. Option button pe click karke you will get this dialog box. In this, the style is polygon. Polygon means polygon of 5 sides. That means a pentagon will be drawn. If I click on this and I can choose star. Now 5-point star will be drawn. You can change the number. I can have the 8. I can have 6, 7, 5, 2, 3, any number. Click on OK and then draw it. So I can have the stroke line, stroke style, and you can double click on it to select it and you can drag it to move it. Move it. I can change stroke color like this. Then I can copy it. I told you copy option yes in the last class. Copy option. I have selected it. I can go to the edit menu copy option or press the Control plus C. Click on the stage, Control V, paste. So I can paste it. Clear? Copy paste is clear. I can paste it again. I can change its color. Selected object hai, I can change its color. Then I can resize it by clicking on this free transform tool. Free transform tool, Q option. Selected, free transform. Object is selected. I can resize it. I can move it. Clear? Anji beta clear hai yahan tak? Copy paste clear hai? You can draw any object. You can have the simple pencil tool and you can draw the anything, whatever you want to draw. That will become one object. This is a free hand. Okay. Then I can select it like this and move it. I can change the stroke color. I can place it inside like this. Okay. Draw any object by using the tool. Simple line tool, line draw kar sakte hain. You can have the shapes tool, you can have the pencil tool, and you can have the brush tool. Brush tool is to draw anything freehand, but smooth strokes. Pencil ke comparatively, strokes will be smooth. Okay. Is it clear? We can have the various options for brush that we will discuss in lab so that you can practice it side by side also. Okay. Hanji, any other doubt till now?
Ma'am, I
Aryan,
have a doubt.
Harman, Jalash, is it clear, beta?
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, that's all for today's class. Do the question answers and submit the copy on Monday. Okay.